What's up, Goated Ones? Frank from the Goated Guild here, your favorite product marketer. You should hire me. Checking out Jam. Out to revitalize and enhance internal bug reporting. This is founded by someone I know, Miss Danny Grant, who is a legend, great founder, great person, engineer, and studied human-computer interaction, which I keep telling you guys is the most important skill to have these days. It's not about the tech, it's about the interface. So we're gonna check this out. I haven't fully went through her site yet, but we're gonna do that live. Okay, it's a lot of stuff coming at me. One-click bug reports devs love, and you have a screenshot, I guess, of the pop-up. Capture screenshot, record the tab, record desktop, instant replay. Kind of reminds me of like Full Story. Full Story is one of my favorite tools. It can be used for this purpose, but this seems to be very specific for developers. So I'm guessing, because I haven't really looked at the site yet, I'm guessing it gives you all the contextual info that you need. Hopefully I'll see that later in the page. That's what I'm expecting, at least. So that when you pass this along, instead of doing a loom or doing, a screen capture or something, or trying to do that on your phone, this probably does a little bit better. So interesting. 100K users.
God damn, homie.
That's pretty damn good. A lot of reviews. Is this a get Jam for free? Is this oh, it's like a Chrome extension. Okay, and she does have a video. I don't think the video is on the homepage though. I'm not sure why. For me, I'm always down to see a little video, but this makes it pretty clear what it is. I like the logo with the strawberry. It works really well. You got the social proof. Danny's a legend. She knows what she's doing. So, yeah, everything you need is in this hero for people to get started. So, I love the tagline. It's for devs. One-click bug reports. Make it simple. I don't really have anything to add to this part. I think if there's a video, she might as well put a little link to the video, because it might take someone who's not a dev a little bit more time to get why this is necessary. Maybe some product people maybe wouldn't understand why devs would prefer to have it in this format, because usually I've had this happen before. People say there's a problem, and I'm trying to decipher exactly what they're doing. In the past, I've used full story sessions, but it's not fully baked for that use case. But in terms of this hero, I think it's excellent. It's got everything you need. So we're going to give it goated score 9.2, which is about as good as you can get out here. I think if they had the video, let me see if the video is good. Let's see what it's about. Danny.
Hi, I'm Danny. I'm one of the
They're using my people. I like that.
co-founders of Jam, and I'm so excited to show you what we've built to help ambitious, fast-moving teams build bug-free software. Jam is a browser extension that helps you create awesome bug reports without context switching. So when you see a bug, you can screenshot, video record, and send it either to a new ticket or to a link you can share with your team, all without leaving the page. Every ticket, every link contains all the information the developer needs to get started fixing. System information, like what browser you were in, as well as were there any errors in the console? Were there any errors in the network tab?
Okay.
There's one more feature that we're so excited about. If you're a gamer, you can think about it like Twitch clips for software. The annoying bit of bug reporting, when you use a bug, you have to kind of recreate it so that you can grab a video and send it to the ticket. This completely automates that. So when you see a bug, you can just click the button and it automatically generates a video of your last 30 seconds, plus all the browser information for the developer. So that way, it's really, really quick for you to create an awesome bug report, as well as really quick for the developer to get started. We
Wow.
really care about helping software teams move really fast and create awesome products. Please let us know how we can help do that even better. My email is Danny@Jam.dev. Please don't hesitate to reach out. We're so excited to hear what you think. Happy jamming.
That's fucking baller. That needs to be on this page somewhere because that is such a great video. That's a feature I didn't get what this instant replay is. Now I get what that feature is. Cause yeah, you're not always like looking for an error. You kind of just stumble upon it. So the fact that this can be part of kind of the thing in your background that just is working and you don't even know it's working, man, that's awesome. I don't know why that video is not on this homepage. But let's see what the rest of the page. What I want to see on the rest of the page, I want to see some testimonials from real devs saying that it's important. Because this is not just, I mean, the goal is to send these videos to devs, but I think the product is for anybody in a company to be able to send this stuff back. I wonder if there's like a community of people who just like want to send videos of problems to, like, they're just a regular user. They're not necessarily related to a company, but they would still be part of the network of people who would send bug reports to a company. That would be an interesting wrinkle. But I'd want to see, just for myself, for my company, what other how it works for a business. Like, I'm assuming there's a cost to this. Some testimonials, some use cases of how like a team was able to solve certain problems, and it's easier to do it by analyzing content from here. That's what I want to see for the rest of this. Never explain another bug. Auto captures all the info engineers need to debug. All the copy on this page is very succinct and just like, this is a case study in good copy too. Device and browser, console logs, network logs. So you use these little parts to show all the different components, and you don't have to do a long paragraph. I'm not seeing any long paragraphs like some of the sites you've seen the past couple of days. They're trying to explain, and I think it comes from having like a deep understanding of what like the core thing is that people love about your product. Once you have that, it's easier to tell your story more succinctly and let your product do the talking. Like, the product really sells it for me. Couldn't 404 help, this page isn't loading properly. Cool headers require, this is not clickable. Okay, is this a video? Oh, this is an example. Got it. They could probably label this or something. It's not that bad, but got it. So it's passing on all the stuff in your console. Cool. Built for everyone, loved by developers. Yeah, this is what I was saying. It's really for everybody in the company, but the point is that your developers will like it, so your product team can, when they're using it, send stuff over. Repro steps. I don't know if everybody knows what repro means, but probably could figure it out. Capture what just happened, annotate, blur, edit, and share. The blur is important. I know Full Story did that for form inputs, I believe. It did an okay job. I remember when last time I used it, not the last time, but I remember a time where I was using it a couple years ago. I could see someone going into intercom and writing an angry message to me and then deleting it. So privacy and making sure you're not, showing all that type of info is important. But this is amazing. I love the imagery, the fonts, everything is like bold and easy to read. And integrations is going to be important. People want to be able to have it in their workflow. This seems like a product that doesn't get in your way, right? It's not trying to send you to a dashboard and do all these things. It's in the flow, which I think is important. Marvin Gonzalez, you got the photo, the name, job, and company So we know this is not fake reviews. You got to be on the lookout for fake reviews because, yeah, there's a lot of people that doing it, and
That ain't cool, dude.
it's not cool, but people be doing it. But what are these? Say Jam streamlined bug reproduction and eliminated miscommunication with our developers on top of reporting the issue and expected result. Jam made it much easier for the QA and development teams to work thanks to automatic browser logs and integrations with Sentry and Jira. Yeah, QA teams. QA teams seems like the perfect folks to do this. And I know there's a bunch of QA communities, aren't there? Well, there's people that do, bug bounties. There's a lot of different communities that could tap into this. So they probably have done that. I would love to see a more in-depth case study in one of these of like what a team has done, not just like, okay, it's been good for people are saying it's been good for our team, but it's just more powerful when you can tell a full story. And I'm sure Toast would like to get in front of, well, maybe not Toast is not a good example. Who is like in the community? I don't really know some of these companies. I think maybe Procore. But anyway, like another company that also wants to get in front of developers would love to do a video about how they use Jam and tell that story a little bit deeper. Sorry. 100,000 people. What is Jam GPT? Okay. Yeah, debugging assistant. Okay. Not too worried about that. Yeah, I mean, call to action at the bottom at the top. Let's see. Pricing. Well, pretty good. Not too crazy. Security is a super important part. That's something I would probably put on the homepage. I think some companies are just trying to check every box. So it might make sense to just put SOC 2 compliance. There's enough space. The page is not super long. So I'd probably add that to this page. But yeah, overall, this page is awesome. I would just add that part and maybe the video to the page to show people how it works in practice. But this is awesome. This is a great example of a product that is like very, very specific, well branded, focused. Technically, you could do this with other tools, but those tools are not formatted product wise towards this use case. And so the more specific you can be, the easier it is to sell people on it because you know this tool is for you specifically. So very impressive. Great work, Danny Grant and team. If you want to check this one out, you're going to go to Jam.dev. Give them a look. As always, brush your teeth, walk in the corner. Check out gotoguild.com for your customer feedback needs. We collect customer feedback on your behalf. And if you like this hat, this is Art of Heartbreak, my friends. Another brand of mine. But yeah, have a good day. Be safe. The AI camera thinks Tupac is the face to track. We got a long way to go with AI, but peace out, y'all. Have a good one.